Hello, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the dome light cover on R129 SL and E320 Cabriolet vehicles. As you can see, this one here is cracked, and I'll be showing you how to replace the electronics from the old one into this replacement. The first step to replacing the dome light cover will be to remove the rear view mirror. Grasp the base here and pull it off sideways. That'll release the spring here, and then there may be wiring that is attached here, and you could just remove that. Set the mirror aside, and you'll be left with the dome light cover here with a metal plate attached right here. Remove the 3 screws there, and then you'll also have the 2 light lenses here. You could pry them off with a thin screwdriver, just insert it in there and pull it off. And then behind them will be 2 more screws. Now you should be left with the dome light cover detached and the electronics still in there. And you can use the Dremel bit that we include with every purchase, and you have to use a Dremel to detach the electronic plate from the dome light. So there will be 6 spots you need to use the Dremel on, right here, and on the other side, here, and on the other side behind this wire, and back up in here, and on the other side behind this wire. This is the hardest one to get to. It's right back there. And once you use the Dremel, the plate should be free, but if not, you can use a trim tool like this and just pull it off from the dome light cover. This procedure is the same on both the R129 SL and E320 Cabriolet models. So now with the electronic portion removed, you want to take your new dome light cover and insert the electronics into it until it snaps in. And if you flip it over, you want to make sure that the buttons, both up here and here, and the light lenses are properly fitted into their respective slots. And once you know they are in correctly, you want to take some epoxy and place some here, here, up here, and just reattach the electronics to the dome light cover. If any of the portions are sticking up like this, you can take a clamp and just attach it on like that, just to hold it in place, because you're going to have to let the epoxy dry for about 24 hours. And once it's dry, you can do the same procedure to replace it as we did taking it off. So you can visit our website for more products like this. We have things like these light lenses, many products for the sun visor, center console buttons, and other little parts for Mercedes R129 SL and E320 Cabriolet models. That website is classictrimparts.com, and you can view our selection of products there. Thank you for watching.